Did you see that, guys? Did you see the date? It's 5/17 and I don't get paid yet. $12,305. And that is dollars. Oh my God. Yesterday, 15,000 yung hindi pa paid sa akin on my other account. I have 4 account and the other one is 15 and this one is 12. And that is gonna be paid soon. This is the power automation system. My business runs 24/7. I don't have to babysit my business. All I have to do is take a leap of faith and visit my support portal so I can check how much I make in 1 day or 2 days. As long as you are resilient, hindi ka maarte, masipag ka, meron kang paniniwala sa sarili mo na magiging successful ka, lahat ng dreams mo kaya mong gawin. Kung gusto nyong malaman kung paano ko pinapatakbo ang